and you still want to make some money today, hump day, which I'm going to say, Scott, we can go to some 5 quick hits here. First up, Amazon. After earnings, what do you do with this stock? Right now, Amazon is down about 0.5%.
0.5% is pretty good considering the miss that they had. I think the street's giving them a pass because their revenues were higher, their earnings were lower based on their expansion into the cloud. I think you avoid Amazon here, but in a few days if it holds up, I'm going to have an entry point for you.
And then what about BIDU after the close today? You can ignore this one into earnings?
Yes, the same strategy. We've taken these strong tech stocks, we've played them long going into earnings. We get flat because the risk is too large, too priced for perfection. We saw that with Netflix yesterday. Netflix was on the highs, down $22 yesterday, no bounce. I don't want to see you exposed to that. We'll talk about BIDU after the fact and show you the trade just like you saw with Intel after.
And Netflix after the fact, do you want to get into the carnage right now?
I think, 222 to 225, I'll actually show you that chart, is an area I think worth watching. This is some big support down here. If you are a true Netflix fan, I think you try and see how it acts around here. This is like 222. This is the moving average. This is worth a look, but you need to watch how it handles that area with the relative strength and using some other factors besides just that level.
All right, 3 more. Let's do this. We can do this. Okay, Oracle. What do you want to do here at new highs?
Oracle, it's at new highs. It's one of the chosen ones in the mega cap. I think you missed your entry, but it could go higher.
And Cisco, kind of the black sheep of this whole group, up about 0.5% today. What do you do?
I'm long Cisco, and I do think I could hold it to about 18.50, 19. I think for the first time, as they get closer to earnings, they might actually not miss and do something surprising. So I think you could enter Cisco here. It's just very slow and have it, in your drawer. Put it in the drawer, and hopefully you'll take it out above 21, 22 at some point this year.
And last one, Microsoft, big day yesterday, up over 2%. What do you do today?
Microsoft, I think you could add. I think it's got room to about 27.50. We talked about buying this in the hole. That's the whole thing with these mega caps. They don't really break out and go. You need to buy them as a value play in the hole because they had that dividend, and I think the street's starting to look at dividends.